Today I've got something really special for you, because if you are one of our over 1 million subscribers and you've been coming to this channel for over 10 years and you've been seeing the powerful workouts that I upload every single week, and you've been thinking, how the heck am I supposed to use all these different workouts? How many times should I be doing this specific workout during the week? Or how do I combine different exercises and workout to get the best possible results? Then today I've got finally a solution for you. Hey everybody, how you all doing? Peter Carvell here from SixpackFactory.com. Now today I've got something really special for you. So what is this? Well, it's basically a complete 21-day workout calendar where I show you how to use some of our most powerful, most effective, and most viral workout videos here on YouTube, and how to combine them to get the best possible results over a 21-day period. How many times should you do one specific workout? When should you do it? Which days? How should you follow it up? Should you rest? Should you recover? Should you do this ab workout 5 times a week or just twice a week? Those are the kind of questions that I get on a daily basis. So I know this is something that's going to be extremely valuable to you and that you guys actually want. Because yes, we have over 500 workout videos here on YouTube, and every single one of them are extremely powerful, but only if you know how to use them. And because I've provided you guys with those workouts, I felt it's my responsibility to now teach you how to actually use those workouts in an actual workout calendar or schedule. And that is what this brand new 100% free 21-day fat loss home workout challenge is all about. So you can go and sign up right now, 100% free, at sixweeksixpack.com/21-day challenge. And this is just another way for me to make sure that you guys actually have the tools to get results, and make sure that this channel is not just a channel full of amazing workouts, full of information, but actually provide you with the structure of how to use that information to get results. So guys, come and join me once again at sixweeksixpack.com/21-day challenge. So come and join me. Let's push hard, and let me show you how to use all these powerful workouts that I have here on my YouTube channel in the best way to get the best possible results over a 21-day period. Once again, sixweeksixpack.com/21-day challenge. I'll see you guys over there. Bye-bye.